Must and have to are equal, guys. They have the exact same meaning. You must study hard is the same as you have to study hard. We can replace must here with have to, and they give the same meaning, exactly the same meaning. You must do your homework is the same as you have to do your homework. That is the first point. They have the same meaning. And they mean it's important to, or it's necessary to. And the question comes in the test like this. It's necessary to, for example, eat fruit. The question is to use must here, or have to, and give the same meaning. Easy and simple. Just remove this phrase, it's necessary to, and write you must, and then complete the sentence. Eat fruit. You must eat fruit. Also, you can use have to here. Just remove must and write have to. You have to eat fruit. Does that make sense, guys? Well, that's all about the meaning of must and have to, and how the question could be in the test. But there is a big question here. This is must and have to in the positive form. What about the negative form? What's the negative of must, guys? Correct. Must not or mustn't. Repeat it. Mustn't, not mustn't. The T here is silent. Get it? And the negative form of have to is don't have to. Okay, a big question here. Teacher, you said that must equals have to. They have the same meaning, right? Does that mean must not or mustn't equals don't have to in meaning? Do they have the same meaning too? Absolutely not. They're not the same, guys. Mustn't means not allowed, but don't have to means not necessary. Examples. You mustn't smoke in the classroom. This means you're not allowed to smoke here. And if you do, I'll kick you out of the class. This is the meaning of mustn't, not allowed to do this thing. And if you do, a problem will happen to you. But when I say, for example, we order pizza, you blank cook. You mustn't cook, or you don't have to cook. Focus, guys, here. A pizza is coming, so no need to cook. Not necessary to cook. But if you would like to cook, it's up to you, no problem will happen. Right? This is the meaning of don't have to. And that's all the difference between mustn't and don't have to. Here, you're not allowed, and if you do, a problem will happen to you. But here, no need to do it. But if you do, no problem will happen to you. Okay, let's practice. You blank to respect others. You must to respect others, or you have to respect others. To in the question here, and you know that to doesn't come with must, or must doesn't take to, but have takes to. So the answer is have to. You have to respect others. Last question. The car is clean. You blank wash it. You mustn't wash it, which means you're not allowed to wash it. If you wash it, I'll kill you. Or you don't have to wash it. No need to do that. It's already clean. It's obvious, right? So this is the correct answer. You don't have to wash it. That's all about must, mustn't, have to, don't have to. Mention any student you know in grade 10, 11, 12. This video is really important to them. Thank you for watching.